Okay, we're here in the greenhouse and we're going to get this pink oyster mushroom grow kit going. First we got to open it, take everything out. Instruction booklet. And there it is. We have to cut a slit in the front. Actually, 2 slits. And then it needs to soak for 6 to 10 hours in a bowl of water. Put it cut side down. Yeah, so it can soak in. Alrighty, and we'll be right back with the rest of it.
8 hours later.
Okay, we're back. Alright, the first thing we have to do now is take off the perforated front. Then, the bag that's been soaking for about 8 hours. And you're going to put it in this box with the slit side out. Close it back up. Mist it twice a day. And that's it.